We tested 9 mops that are recommended for hardwood floors to determine which ones were the easiest to use and the most effective in cleaning, and selected the Rubbermaid Reveal Spray Floor Mop. With its long pole and wide swiveling mop head, the Rubbermaid makes cleaning hardwood or any other floor type a breeze. We also love the O-Cedar Pro Mist Max, which has excellent maneuverability and a unique flip mop head that lets you switch to the clean side of the microfiber pad when one side gets dirty. In this video, we're looking at the 5 best steam mop for hardwood floors 2025, and if you want more information, we also put the links in the description box below. Number 1. Reveal Spray Floor Mop. Cleaning hardwood floors couldn't be easier than with the Rubbermaid Reveal Spray Mop. The full kit comes with 2 22-ounce refillable bottles in which you can use plain water or your own cleaning solution mix, and 3 16.5 length machine washable microfiber pads, which, according to Rubbermaid, can be washed 100 times. The mop's pole measures 50 inches in length and allows for long swipes along the floor without you bending over. The mop head has a non-abrasive scraper on its top side, and when you want to get out a particularly tough dirt patch, the head can be flipped to use the scraper and then flipped back to return to mopping. A nice design touch is that the scraper can be removed for cleaning. The Rubbermaid Reveal has a spray trigger, no batteries needed, which, when pressed, sprays a fine mist with a wide angle, allowing for more floor coverage. The mop's swivel head easily glides along baseboards and right angles with very little effort. As with most microfiber mop pads, the Rubbermaid's absorbs any excess moisture so the floor dries in a couple minutes. The Rubbermaid Reveal Mop can be purchased separately, but we recommend the kit, since it comes with 3 microfiber pads, meaning you can clean several hardwood floors at one time. Number 2. O-Cedar Pro Mist Max. One of our favorite mops for cleaning any floor type is the O-Cedar Pro Mist Max. Similar in design to the Rubbermaid Reveal, the O-Cedar is a non-battery operated spray mop with a trigger spray that has a wide spray angle and a long pole, 55 inches, so there's no stress on your back and arms while you're mopping. But the O-Cedar has a couple of smart and unusual design features that set it apart from other mops. To start, the mop head is inserted into the double-sided machine washable microfiber pad and secured with Velcro, so the head is completely encased by the pad. When one side of the pad gets dirty, the mop head's U-shaped notch lets you flip it 180 degrees without touching the pad, so you can keep mopping with the clean side of the pad. The O-Cedar mop head can also be manipulated to go completely flat, which allows for mopping under low furniture. Like the Rubbermaid Reveal, the O-Cedar has superb maneuverability in and out of corners and along baseboards. The O-Cedar is well priced for such an excellent mop and can be purchased with 1, 2, or 3 microfiber pads. Number 3. Microfiber Wholesale. Microfiber Wholesale Mop Kit has everything you need to clean any type of floor: a non-spray mop, 2 18 microfiber pads, 2 microfiber cloths, and a dust mop pad, which we found to be the kit's best feature and great for cleaning up dust, dirt, and pet hair before wet mopping. The retractable stainless steel mop pole extends from 45 to 70 that, as the company's website advises, should be extended so its tip is just below your chin, which then theoretically diminishes any stress on your arms and back. In practice, however, it didn't work. No matter what length we adjusted the pole, because of its weight, double the turbo mop, we felt strain, especially on our shoulders. That said, the reasonably priced microfiber wholesale mop has a 360-degree rotating head, so it's great for getting around corners and along baseboards. Number 4. Swiffer Wet Jet. Swiffer Wet Jet is one of the most popular floor mops in the world, the main reasons being it's convenient, easy to use, and it gets the job done. Once assembled, the Wet Jet can't be unassembled, and it's intended to be hung in a closet or other location where you keep cleaning supplies. The startup kit comes with a small bottle of cleaning solution, 4 regular pads, and 6 heavy-duty pads. The main issue with Wet Jet is that you'll need to continually buy replacements, since the disposable pads are single-use. Also, the small bottle of cleaner included will be used up after a few uses, so, again, you'll have to buy refills. The biggest drawback for some people is that the wet jet runs on 2 AA batteries, so you should have a stockpile of them as well. However, the wet jet is a very good mop that's easy to push around and has terrific maneuverability because the mop head swivels in any direction. The wet jet has a low spray angle that hits the floor directly, so it should be used sparingly, since the solution tends to streak when dry. The included bottle of solution is a multi-purpose cleaner, but Swiffer does make a solution that's made especially for wood floors, which we recommend using. Number 5. Bona, Hard Surface Spray Mop. Bona cleaning products are well regarded as high-end, so we were surprised that the hard surface mop was a bit shoddy in construction and not so user-friendly. The Bona mop has a spray trigger and a 32-ounce canister of cleaning solution that's inserted into the mop head, like the Swiffer wet jet. When full, the canister weighs the mop down, so it took quite a bit of strength to twist the revolving head into corners and along baseboards. As the fluid is used up, the mop should be easier to maneuver, but it would be better if the canister didn't have as much fluid to begin with. Also to be considered is that the special cleaning solution needs to be purchased regularly. After testing, we disassembled the mop and discovered that the plastic clip that connects the pole to the mop head seemed close to breaking. Also, when removing the canister, solution squirted up out of the mop head, perhaps because all the pressure inside the trigger hadn't been released. Our hardwood floors certainly got cleaned using the Bona mop, but for ease of use and convenience we prefer our top pick, the Rubbermaid Reveal. Thanks for watching. That's all for now, and hope all of you guys enjoy the video. Thanks.